In this video, we will show you how to replace your front inner fender liner on this Chevy Trailblazer. This will be located inside of your front wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we need to do is safely raise and support the front of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Once you've done that, we'll continue on by removing our center cover. You'll find a small slot for this. Continue on to each one of your 6 19mm lug nuts, and then remove the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, we have a clear view of our inside fender liner. This is going to have several push clips making their way around and one 10mm headed mounting bolt. Let's make our way along the front. Under this area is where you're going to find one of your push clips. Use a trim tool or a small screwdriver and gently pry out the center to unlock it, and then you can remove the entire thing. Just give that a quick inspection. We can set that aside. Now we'll make our way back into the wheel well with our trim tool. Let's push pin up in here. Now we can make our way along here. Let's put those together. Now we will have 3 coming across the center. Typically I leave these in here for last. Let's continue rearward and remove these 2. We have a 10mm bolt in the far rearward corner. Once you've removed all of that, we'll continue back in the center to our 3 push pins. This is the last thing holding this in place, so be extremely careful as you remove these. All right, let's take hold of this and start removing it. Start separating this. We'll have to pull this area away. As we pull this away, you're going to have to lift it up on the rearward corner. We'll slide it right out of there. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready for installation of our inside fender liner. We'll start by sliding this in along the rear. Once you feel like you have it in the proper placement, we'll continue on with our push clips. We'll align this area, put in our push pins. Time for the 10mm headed bolt. Make our way to the front here. Now we'll make our way underneath this area, align that, put in our push clip here as well. Now we can get the wheel on here. We'll start on all 6 of our 19mm lug nuts, snug them up, get the wheel back on the ground, and then we'll torque these to 100 foot-pounds. With the wheel back on the ground, torque these in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Reinstall your center cover. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the front fender liner on your vehicle. At this point, take it for a road test and listen for funny noises from the area. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.